Now, exercise 4. Exercise 4. So, what is the question? Fill in the blanks is asking minus 100 into minus 6. So, minus 100 into minus 6 is how much? Minus into minus plus, it will become 600. Second sum, minus 3, we don't know this number, is equal to 3. So, if you are taking as a x and we are solving now, so it has to become minus 1. Minus into minus plus, 3 ones are 3. Third bit, 100 into minus 6. Multiplying means it is 600 minus. Fourth sum, minus 20 into minus 10. Minus into minus plus, 20 tens are 200. Fifth sum, 15 into minus 3. Minus into plus minus, 15 threes are 45. Okay, now next question. That is second bit. Find the ET of the product. 3 into minus 1 is equal to how much? Minus 3. Second one. Minus 1 into 225 is equal to minus 225. Third one. Minus 21 into minus 30. Minus into minus plus. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Okay. Now, fourth one. Minus 316 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 316. Fifth one. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 8. If 0 is coming between the multiplication, the answer is always 0. Sixth one. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Now see here. Minus into minus, plus, plus into plus, plus only. 12 11s are. 2 1s are, 2 1s are. 132. 132 into 10, that is equal to 1320. Okay. Now seventh sum. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Minus into minus plus. It's 18. 18 into 9. 72. 9 ones are 9. 10, 16. 162. Eighth one. That is minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. That is 4 5 are 20. Multiplying how much it will come? 360. Minus 360. Ninth sum. Minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24. 10th sum. Minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. 12. 12 3s are 36 answer. Okay. This is the sums. Now, third question. Word problems are here. A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade to the rate of 5 degree centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperatures 10 hours after the process begins? Okay, this is the question. That is the third question we are dealing now. So, process requires what is lowered temperature lowered Lower, how much you have to lower it? 40 degrees centigrade. Okay. Now, temperature rate of every 1 hour, it has degrees. It has to be decreased to 5 degrees centigrade will be the room temperature. So, we will write like this. Temperature rate of every 1 hour equal to ఎంత 5 degrees centigrade. అంటే ప్రతి 5 degrees 1 hourకి 5 degrees తగ్గుతుంటుంది అనమాట. ఓకే. నో రేట్, how many hours we have to go? 10 hours. Being 10 hours. Okay. For this sum, what we will do? 40 degrees centigrade. 40 degrees centigrade minus how much we have to row? 5 into 10 hours. That is 40 minus 50. It is minus 10 degrees centigrade. This is one method. Okay. Another method is there. Another method, 40 degrees centigrade minus 5 first. 35 degrees centigrade. 35 degrees centigrade minus 5. 30. Like that. 10 times 20. So, okay, we will do it. 30 degrees minus 5. 25. 25 minus 5. 20. 20 minus 5. 15. 15 minus 5. 10. 10 minus 5. 5. 5 minus 5. 0. 0 minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5 minus 5. Minus 10. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is for 10 hours. We are getting the answer as minus 10. Okay. Now next question. That is fourth question. Question is what? In a class test containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answers and minus 1 mark will for incorrect answers and 0 for not attempt. Gopi, what he did? Gopi gets 5 correct. Okay, Gopi gets 5 correct. That is for correct how many marks we are getting? 3. 5 3 is 15 marks he got. And 5 incorrect he did. Incorrect how much we have to do? Minus 1. 5 into minus 1. Minus 5 marks. So question is, what is his score? His score 15 minus 5 equal to 10 marks. Now, in the same second bit, Reshma gets 7 correct. 7 correct. That is, each answer is correct means 3 marks. 21 marks. And she gets 3 incorrects. 3 incorrects means 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3 marks. So, what is her score? Her score is 21 minus 3 equal to 18 marks. Another question. Reshma అయిపోయింది. Reshmi 3 correct and 4 incorrect. How many correct? 3 correct. 9 marks. And how many incorrect? 4 incorrect. That is minus 1 into 4. Minus 4 marks. So, out of 7 questions she attempt, what is his score? Okay. Now, her score is 9 marks minus 4 marks equal to 5 marks. Understood? Now, next question. It is 5th. A merchant on selling rice earns profit of 10 per a bag of basmati rice. Profit how much? Rice, and sold a loss of 5 per bag on non-basmati rice. For basmati, rice is getting how much profit? 10 rupees. Non-basmati rice, loss of 5. Idi profit, idi loss. So, first question. If he sells 3000 bags of basmati rice, he sells 3000 bags of basmati rice. That is equal to 3000 into 10. 30,000 is getting. And basmati, non-basmati rice, he sells non-basmati rice, how much? 5,000 bags. That is 5,000 into 5. 25,000. So, what is the profit or loss? So, selling basmati rice minus selling non-basmati rice. That is 30,000 minus 25,000. Getting 5,000 profit. Okay. He is getting 5,000 profit. Next question. What is the number of basmati rice he must sell to have either profit nor loss, or the number of bags of non-basmati rice is sold is? Second bit. What is asking? What is the number of basmati rice bags he must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of bags of non-basmati rice sold is 6,400. So what is the sum? A merchant, same. Rice for profit is 10 rupees, non-basmati rice is 5 rupees. So he is selling bags of non-basmati rice. Rice equal to how much? 6,400 in the question I gave. So non-basmati rice, multiply, we have to multiply 6,400 into 5. Okay. Loss. This is loss, no? Question according to the question. Loss. That is 0, 0, 0, 2, 30, 32. So he is getting 32,000. Okay. So merchant sold bags of basmati rice. So what amount of basmati rice he has to sold? Basmati rice he has to sell equal to 32,000 ప్రాఫిట్ కావాలంటే 10 డివైడ్ చేసినాం అనుకో. ఓకే, హౌ మచ్ we are getting? 3200. This much bags of rice, basmati rice he has to sell. Okay, now see, sixth question. -3 give, 27 he give. So what is the answer you will get? Minus into minus, it will become plus. 3 nines. Another method is there for it. That is -3 into x I am taking. If I am taking like this, x equal to 27 by -3. It is minus. So it is coming as 9. X equal to minus, I am telling that -9. Another method of proving it. Now here directly I am doing -7. Minus is there, minus is there. So okay, minus is there, plus is there. So minus has to come. 12 how many times? 12 11s if I am taking. So minus 11. Understood?